If I'm not wrong, I believe now you can extend the root volume while the instance is still running. Let's go storage. Okay, and here is the volume. You go there, and if it's not dim out, that means you can probably do it. Now it's 50. Okay, you can modify it and you can change it on the fly. Let's see, let's make 60. Okay, modify. Are you sure that you want to modify? It may take some time. You may need to extend the OS. Yes, you may. Okay, you can modify it on the file while still running. Again, I show you that it's still running. You see, it's still running. Now I go back to the instance. It's still 50 gig, right? Okay, let's go disk management. Refresh. Okay, after refresh you see it, and now you can choose here to come and extend it. It's already selected by default. I didn't have to do anything yet. Go next, finish. Boom, there you go. Now it's become 60 gigabyte.